If you think your regular phone can handle tough jobs, think again. Today, we're checking out the best rugged smartphones of 2025. Built to survive drops, dust, water, and even extreme weather. Let's find your ultimate adventure phone. Starting strong with the Blackview BL9000 Pro 5G. And this one is wild. It comes with a FLIR thermal imaging camera built right in. Yes, this phone can literally see heat. Perfect for engineers, outdoor explorers, or rescue professionals who need to detect temperature variations on the go. Powered by Android 14 and featuring a massive 36GB RAM plus 512GB storage, this phone handles multitasking like a flagship. The 6.78-inch FHD plus 120Hz display looks gorgeous, even under bright sunlight. And with dual 50-megapixel cameras, your shots are crisp and vibrant. The BL9000 Pro doesn't just talk durability, it's IP68/IP69 K-rated, meaning it's waterproof, dustproof, and drop-resistant. Plus, you get Wi-Fi 6, NFC, GPS, and a blazing 120-watt fast-charging system to power up in no time. If you need performance, endurance, and military-grade toughness, this Blackview is the real deal. Check the description for the link to the Blackview BL9000 Pro and take your adventures to the next level. Next up, the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra 5G, a rugged phone that's also a total spec monster. It packs the insane Dimensity 9300 plus 12-core chipset, which makes it one of the most powerful rugged smartphones ever made. Whether you're editing 8K videos or gaming outdoors, this thing never lags. With 32GB RAM, 1TB storage, and up to 2TB expansion, you'll never run out of space. The 6.67-inch AMOLED dual screen delivers vivid colors and smooth visuals, while the 64-megapixel plus 50-megapixel plus 50-megapixel triple camera system captures pro-level shots, even in extreme environments. It's got 8K video recording, 120-watt fast charging, and an IP68/IP69 K rating for complete protection. What's more, Ulefone added Widevine L1 support, meaning you can stream Netflix and Prime Video in full HD. So if you want a rugged phone that feels premium, performs like a flagship, and laughs at harsh conditions, this one's your best pick. The Ulefone Armor 28 Ultralink is in the description. Check it out and see why it's redefining rugged tech. This one's a tank, literally. The Alcatel WP100 Titan 5G is a beast of endurance. It comes with a jaw-dropping 33,000 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. Enough to last for weeks, not days. And that's not even the best part. It includes a built-in projector, perfect for outdoor movie nights, camping, or quick presentations. With 48GB RAM and 512GB storage, the WP100 handles heavy multitasking like a champ. The 200-megapixel main camera captures incredible detail, and the 120Hz 6.8-inch FHD plus display keeps everything smooth and responsive. It's also loaded with a 1200 lumen camping light, so you can literally light up your surroundings when it gets dark. Running on Android 14, this phone brings modern software features, dual 5G SIMs, and fast 120-watt charging to refill that huge battery faster than you'd think. It's built for explorers, adventurers, and anyone who needs raw power on the go. Want the phone that outlasts everything else? Check the description to grab the Alcatel WP100 Titan. If you like the idea of ruggedness with style, the Doogee S200 hits that sweet spot. This phone has a unique dual-screen design, featuring a small 1.32-inch rear display that shows time, notifications, and battery status. Super handy when you're working or hiking. Inside, you get 32GB RAM and 256GB storage, plus Android 14, ensuring smooth multitasking and updates. The 100-megapixel primary camera delivers stunning clarity, and the 20-megapixel night vision lens gives you visibility even in total darkness. The 6.72-inch FHD plus 120Hz display looks sharp and vibrant, and the 10,100 mAh battery means you won't be scrambling for a charger after a long day. It's got NFC, dual SIM, 5G, and is compatible with AT&T and Verizon, so coverage isn't an issue. It's IP68/IP69 K certified too, meaning it's dust tight and can handle deep water submersion. The S200 is perfect for travelers, field workers, and anyone who needs reliable connectivity in any condition. Check the link in the description to see why the Doogee S200 is one of the most practical rugged phones of 2025. And finally, the 8849 Tank 3 Pro. Easily one of the most insane rugged phones out there right now. It features a 23,800 milliamp hour battery, which can last up to a week on normal use. But here's where it gets wild. It also includes a built-in projector, so you can watch movies, display presentations, or game on the go. With 32 gigabytes RAM and 512 gigabytes storage, expandable up to 2 terabytes, it's built for heavy-duty users. The 6.79-inch display looks crisp, while the Android 13 system keeps everything running fluidly. It even supports OTG and NFC, so it can charge other devices and handle contactless payments. The 97 decibel loudspeaker makes it ideal for outdoor environments where you need volume and clarity. It's also IP68 waterproof, dustproof, and drop-resistant, built to military-grade standards. Whether you're camping, working in rough conditions, or traveling off-grid, this phone delivers. If you want a rugged smartphone that doubles as a portable theater, check the 8849 Tank 3 Pro link in the description. So there you have it, the best rugged smartphones of 2025. Whether you're scaling mountains, working on site, or just tired of fragile phones, these power-packed devices have you covered. Check the description for all product links, and don't forget to subscribe for more gear breakdowns.